Where to find screenshots in Windows 11. That's what we're going to do in today's video. But first, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comments section any suggestion or question that you have. And also make sure to watch our previous videos and tutorials. We have playlists for each app, and let's get started. So in order to find a screenshots in Windows 11, it depends on the way you took it by. So if you took it with the classic print screen method, you're gonna find it in pictures and go to screenshots folder. Here is your screenshot. But if you took it by the other way, by using the snipping tool, you're gonna also find it in the pictures folder, but outside the screenshots folder. So it's gonna be here, outside any of these folders. And there is also another way that's used in order to take screenshots, which is using Windows Gaming Center or Windows Gaming Panel. By Alt Windows G, you find it in videos and then go to captures folder. Here is the screenshot saved by Windows Gaming Panel. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comments section any suggestion or question that you have, and have a nice day.